Hey guys, it's TEPCO Cycle Repair. Today I'm working on a 2011 Yamaha Zuma 50cc scooter. This is not running, it doesn't have a good spark. So you saw me do a carb clean on this because it's been sitting. But checking out the spark, I went through all the connections, just take apart all the connections, put them back together again. Check your coil connections, make sure they're good. I pulled the spark plug out and I checked the spark on the spark plug, and the spark was very weak. So what I did next is the boot here felt a little loose, so I took it off and noticed that the screw part that's inside the boot where the screws onto has broken off inside the wire. And what happened, just from running, it was pulling apart and pulling apart, and with this just sitting inside of here, the spark now has to jump from there all the way to there and then down. So it's not going to run like that. It's going to have a hard time starting. So now I can take this here, get a new boot, screw the boot on, and it'll be fine. You can actually take this, and I don't have enough hands here, but I'll show you. If I take this here and you just push it all the way in and push it up against the spark plug, the tip of the spark plug. So down inside there you can see the spark plug. If I take it and just push it up against it like that, and push it on there real hard and hit the start button, it'll fire up and run. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a new spark plug boot. I just wanted to put this video together quickly so you guys can see. Don't overlook these things. Just because the boot is on there, all right, doesn't mean that it's good. It has a little rubber boot like this right here. All right, so this goes over the wire. All right, so it's on there, and you can't really see it when it's all together, but you want to make sure you take a look at this. Look at that thing broken right off. That was a good find. I got the scooter dirt cheap because it wasn't running, and it's going to just cost me a few dollars to get a new boot on there. Guys, hope you like this video, and this fixes one of your scooters with no spark, and you get the thing back on the road. Hopefully you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Guys, until next time, it's TEPCO Cycle Repair.